Wanna know how to uninstall Kimi AI from your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you can do is you need to just find the Kimi AI application on your phone. So once I've done that, you can just simply hold on to Kimi right here. And here you should be seeing this trash can icon. You can just simply select it and select uninstall. So next thing, what you can do is you can just simply hit towards its app settings, and in the middle right down here you should also be seeing uninstall. So you can just simply select that and then select uninstall again, and that's it. This is how you easily do it. So last but not least, you can just simply head towards Play Store, hit towards the search bar, type in Kimi, and here it should come Kimi right here, and right beside it you should be seeing uninstall. Just simply select that and then select uninstall, and then your Kimi should be uninstalled successfully. And that's it. As you can see here, I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.